Bum 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 bum. Monday high. We gonna go higher. And the first comment is, I wonder who. It won't be Savers. He's not here till Thursday. So you're on Thursday high. Too far ahead. It's not that far ahead. Oh, Jacob. No, it's no, Jacob. Jacob. Always Jacob. Always Jacob. Always Jacob. What's good, Jacob? Giveaway today, so let's get them likes up. Miles, welcome. Rock, you're here. Welcome. I'm bullish. Monday bullish. Monday never bearish. For me. I make it easy. Monday I stay bullish. Tuesday I maybe change. I don't know. But I'm always a bullish on Mondays. You gotta stay happy somehow, right? That's being bullish. You're bearish, you ain't not too happy. $25K flex Lucid today. A hello Lucid accounts going out. Lots and lots of Lucid. Whoa, hey, we're on X as well. Let's go. Is X working finally? Comment section. Is that be cool? You know what, man? When Rock gets here, put his stream on because
I'm already here, bro.
Hey, what's good, buddy? I need to get some water. 1 second. I'll be right back. Hey, yo, go, man. What's going on, Rock? What's happening on the charts today?
Say that again, bro.
I said, let's go, Rock. What's happening on the charts today, man? Monday.
Man.
Like I said, Mondays, I stay bullish, man. I keep it all simple. I'm a bullish Monday man. Just how I do things.
Sounds good to me. Mondays for me, I'm typically just going with the flow, tape reading.
Monday, I don't trade anything but logs. I don't even think about shorting. It's just a part of my system, so I stick to it.
Right.
Even
Well,
if it's short, I'll miss out on
let's
it.
see if there's any good areas to look for it along. Let's see. I like this Asia low here. Asia low, nice pivot. Last down close candle. You got a nice reaction off of it on the hourly here. Also right next to midnight price. And also pivoting off of this failed attempt to go lower here. So that's a nice area for longs if you ask me. Let's see what NASDAQ is doing over here. Yeah, pretty nice area here. And if you're looking for resistance up above, we have this Asia high here that could serve as some resistance. And then you have this, let's go to the 30-minute here. Yeah, you have this 930 attempt to go higher from Thursday that rejected very, very well. Nice. So, like you said, if you're looking for buys, you want to buy near the order blocks that supported price in the overnight session here. You got a couple of them down here. So if the market could open and tap into these areas and hold these areas, I'll be right there with you, bro. I think buys will be clean from this area. Boom, boom, boom.
Hey, man, you back on trading on Monday, or you just tape read?
Yeah, I typically tape read unless the setup is just undeniable. But typically Mondays haven't been showing much energy. They're typically pretty slow. So I don't know if I'll trade it or not.
I mean, this week we do have red folder news, man. I'm sorry. Today we have red folder news at 10 a.m.
Yeah, we do. We do. We might actually get some speed, right? Yeah.
Yep. So I think it's a Monday that's pretty tradable. I mean, right now, obviously, it looks like complete nothing. But
yeah, just looking at the overnight session, you see Asia dip into this imbalance here. You got this 4-hour imbalance. Price dips into it. Beautiful reaction out of it. So the price is going to continue higher. You would assume that it would push up to this this Asia high here if it wants to continue higher, right?
Yep. For sure.
But the overnight session is pretty clean. You can see that price respected the higher time frame gaps, gives you a nice pivot, and price has generated some low resistance here. So maybe price can sweep out some of these internal lows here and then continue higher. So yeah, it looks good. It looks good for the buys, like you were saying. Monday buy theory looks pretty solid again today.
Plus, I mean, if you go to that daily time frame, again, you can sort of see between ES and NQ, there is a daily sort of TPD.
Oh yeah, you see that strong close on NASDAQ.
C1 to C3. Now, if you go down to the 6-hour time frame, have a look at the last down closed candle on NQ. A beautiful that candle got respected today at 6 p.m. on open and pushed up from there. So that would be the reversion level.
This 12 p.m. or?
So on NQ, the 12 p.m. correct. The 12 p.m. candle, the top wick respects. Yeah. It just you'll see the wick. It just respects it and shoots off.
So you said once again for my new TPD traders, you said the TPD is a candle 3 pattern, candle 2, candle 3 pattern.
C1 to C3 pattern.
So this will be C1 Wednesday, and then C3. Oh no, or wait, no, C1 would be Tuesday.
Correct. So you have your C1 Tuesday, Wednesday, and then what's your Thursday?
So Thursday would be the TPD.
Oh, Monday. Your Monday open. Sorry. Your Monday open candle is your C3.
So, oh, okay. So it's okay. So C1 would be Wednesday then.
Yes, Wednesday,
Wednesday,
Thursday, and we don't
Thursday,
have
and then
Friday.
today. Right.
Yeah.
So C2 is the TPD, and then C3 you're looking for price to tap into a change in the state on a lower time frame.
Exactly.
So technically, what you should be buying this right now? I don't get it. When do you get
Technically,
it?
it just sets tone to become bullish.
And you use the 15-minute for entry or hour?
Nah, bro. If you're using a daily TPD, use that 6 hour, 4 hour chart for entry.
So you're just looking for a tap into here to enter?
No, so you would have tapped in from the 6 hour reversion level that on NQ.
That's what I mean. You just put an entry right here on the top of this candle
Bro.
here.
On this chart of that candle, it would have just wicked it.
And then now you're in a trade waiting for.
But like you'd have to be wanting to, sit in a trade for a while.
You put your stop underneath the TPD.
Yeah.
So it'll be this right here.
Yeah, exactly. Too big, too big of a stop. I mean, you could hit a 1 hour. You're halfway there.
Nice. Okay. Cool. And then.
How was your week anyhow, man?
It's pretty good. Weekend was good. Last week was good. Just looking for some consistent price action, man. June was up and down for me, bro. Like, especially after May, bro. May was fire. I couldn't miss in May. And then June, I started off pretty good in June.
They say by data, July is normally a bullish month. So let's wait and see.
If we look at the daily, man, this daily chart has been struggling to make up its mind.
Horrible. It needs to start moving. It sort of looks like March all over again, or April. It was April or March where it was just sort of struggling to go anywhere. And then May came.
Respecting this Thursday, what is that, June 4th? At June 4th, attempt to go higher. Nice resistance here. And then you got this May 4th, attempt to go lower. Beautiful order blocks, keeping price where it is right now. Just looking for price to finally break out. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. I don't know. I think lower, bro. If you ask me, I think maybe let's go look at the others. Let's look at YM and the Russell. Are they still making new highs?
Oh, bro, like I said, my system says bullish. I don't even look at the bears.
So you got Russell made a new high last week. YM made a new high the beginning of the month. Lots of low resistance below. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm not talking about just today. I'm just saying in general. I'm thinking my perspective is bearish, bro. I think we finally start to turn here. I love the accumulation at the highs. Lots of liquidity down below. I would love to see a nice dump for the next couple months. But yeah, that's my take for today. I'm watching these order blocks from the overnight session. We got an Asia order block from Thursday, and we have an Asia order block from last night that seems to be pretty solid. So let's see if those can continue to hold. Looks like we have a massive divergence. Yeah, NASDAQ dipped aggressively through all of these lows in here. So you get that nice divergence here. So if you ask me, would love to see price continue, maybe push back up into that Thursday high. What's up with Bitcoin lately? I see a lot of people thinking Bitcoin's about to bottom. I'm just like, you guys are silly. Bitcoin is dead in the water. Look at it. Another free fall on the way. But yeah, that's my take, guys. I would love to see 930 open down into one of these order blocks and give you something bullish. And let's look at the news for the week, try to get an idea of what type of profile we could set up here for the weekly power of 3. Monday, we have 10 a.m. news. Tuesday, basic news. Wednesday, FOMC minutes. Thursday. So yeah, no major news, no CPI, no major news this week. So this week could be bullish. And then once we start getting that important economic data, the market could start turning lower. So yeah, I agree with you, Zilla. Monday's probably going to end up pushing higher here.
Yeah, bullish Mondays. That's what I call them. I just don't try to the other direction on Monday. I'll keep it bullish. Even if it's bearish, I just don't question it, bro.
Yeah.
It's just my system. So my system, I work on a system, and Monday will always remain bullish. And whatever Monday does will define what I do on Tuesday. So if Monday expands and creates a lot of imbalances, I'll be bullish on Tuesday straight away. If it doesn't, I'll expect Tuesday to make a reversal at one of the ends of Monday's high or low. If Tuesday creates an SSMT, I'll be bullish on Wednesday. So yeah, I just follow a system. Very simple.
Facts.
That's just how I keep it, man. Anyhow, we gotta get people liking the video and joining into the giveaway.
Lucid giveaway.
Who's actually entered for the giveaway? Yeah, we got a few entries. All FPF club. No more bots. Yeah, it's 5PF members only. If you're not a member yet, you can go and get a Bullnox account right now. FPF 25. Use code FPF 25. You'll get for $9.75 a 25k Bullnox account, and that will make you a part of the FPF club. Just DM FPF with the receipt, and you're good.
Nice.
FPF 25.
You can't beat that, guys. That's your ticket into the giveaways, and you get your discounted FPF Bullnox account. You gotta take advantage of that one, guys. What time is the giveaway today?
We do the giveaway basically at 10. So we give them a whole hour to pretty much be a part of it. Because like people that wake up a bit later, people are not here.
Yeah.
So we do it at 10. And we have weekly giveaways on Discord too, like FPF said. So it's not just here. We have giveaways everywhere. But yeah, man. In saying that, I guess today, would price really be waiting for the 10 a.m. news? Do you know if the 10 a.m. news is actually very volatile? The ISM.
It's red. It's red folder, so you should expect it to be, but
PMI, yeah,
it's tough to say lately.
I usually do not like 10 a.m. news as much. I prefer the 8:30. I feel like 10 a.m. just kind of screws around with my model because I'll be trading from 9:40ish to 10, 15. So it kind of messes up my model a bit.
I get it. Yeah, 10 a.m. is tricky at times, bro.
Like you trade that 10 a.m. open, right? Canada.
Yeah, it's just funny, like how algorithmic these markets are. Like 10 a.m. already knows where it wants to go, what it wants to sweep. 9:30, I feel like 9:30 can be a bit of a curveball depending on how many orders are pending and all that type of stuff. But that 4-hour candle pretty much knows where it wants to sweep, what it wants to respect, what it wants to disrespect. It's just funny to see it. Like you'll see price build up so much structure before 10 a.m. and then 10 a.m. completely ignore it. Like Friday was a perfect example, bro. We saw 9:30 doesn't sweep anything. So that was my red flag. Everyone was looking for longs. I'm like, guys, I would be careful because 10 a.m. could easily open up and just disrespect everything that was left behind here. Everyone was thinking that this previous weekly high was going to get hit. 10 a.m. opens, completely just disregards every bullish order block left behind here. I'm like, see, that's exactly why I wait for 10 a.m., bro. 9:30, no Judas, no nothing. Then you get the SMT off the high here. And I'm like, yeah, this is going to go lower. I was hoping to catch this short, but I wanted to break and retest underneath on the NASDAQ here. I just wanted literally something like this. Break this swing, retest to continue. You got the retest somewhat over here. You got a nice closure through on the 5-minute retest on ES. But it didn't give you that on the weaker one here. So I was kind of sitting on my hands. I wasn't able to catch it, but perfect example of why I wait for 10 a.m. Right here gave you no indication that price maybe was going to reverse other than this massive SMT, but 10 a.m., as I said, price was waiting for 10 a.m. to make the news. I meant the move. It could have been bearish at 9:30. Instead, literally right at 10 a.m., that's the top here. 10 a.m. opened right here. Top. But very clean transition on ES here. You got the flip that you would have wanted to see. Beautiful closure through this order block. Retest it. Holds. Really nice. Really nice.
Yeah, bro, for real. Let's see what we get now. 10 minutes.
You guys see Lucid do that new crate drop yesterday?
Yeah, man, I just did it before. I got 50% off. But again, just use code FPF.
Yeah, definitely. Lucid makes the game a little more interesting, man. You could obviously use FPF, but the more you use it, they actually give you those crates based on like how much money you spend. So if you really like trading prop firms, it's best to stick with Lucid, I would say, or something, because they'll actually reward you for being a loyal customer.
They do. Yeah,
you get
for
free
sure.
accounts, you get higher discounts in those crates.
Buy my fund. Hell yeah, man. Buy my funded futures if you do want, man. You got the builder plan. And that's 50% off right now. So use the builder plan, 50% off. No activation fees.
No activation. Yeah, that's my favorite account next to Funded Next right now.
You like the builder plan?
Yeah, bro. That's literally, I got the most payouts this year off of that account specifically.
Okay, cool.
Once you yeah, once you hit that buffer, bro, you should be getting payouts every 2 days. I think it's 50% consistency on the 50% consistency on Funded. So just 2 winning trades of similar amounts and you get your payout. Got about 8 minutes until the market opens here. As you can see, I'm just going through these previous trading days, just looking around to see how this 9:30 open affects 10 a.m. Nice Monday open, 9:30 sweep, break structure, but however, there was no SMT here. And then price reclaims 9:30 here. Wow, yeah, once price reclaimed this 9:30 open price, you see it fail to show any strength underneath it. And then I'm sure you probably get this SMT here off of this dip lower. Let's see. Well, let's see. Taps that weekly open. So yeah, we sweep this low here. Yeah, so you get SMT off of that, flips it. So that's a good point here, man. You see 9:30 doesn't offer SMT. You wait for 10 a.m. to offer that SMT and then flip back above this 9:30 price and boom, price is on its way. That's nice. What else? Let's see. 9:30 opens, any SMT. Gentle SMT here. Where's that 9:30 open price here? Opens up here. And 10 a.m. opens down here. Retest this break of structure, shorts off of that. It's not terrible. Not a terrible logic if you just understand that 9:30 and 10 a.m. typically work together to get that manipulation complete. Where's 9:30? 9:30 opens here. We get that sweep here. 10 a.m. fails to break this 9:30 open at all. Like, this is crazy. And then you get SMT after 10 a.m. here. Climbs back above 9:30. Long it. Very short-lived trade, though. I hate those types of moves that give you like a clean manipulation, a clean market structure shift, and then just dies. Like, this is a scam. There's no way this is bearish. It just decided, let's stop going higher, sweep out these lows, and then we'll go back bullish. That's crazy. These charts are something else. 9:30 sweeps the lows, no SMT. 10 a.m. sweeps Asia high, SMT off of that. Where's that 930 price? Down here. Yeah, it's tough. Oh, wait, go back. Cool. So 30 more minutes until 10. 930 is about to open. We're tapping into these bullish areas, showing some life, man. I think these areas should hold. Hopefully they do. It makes it a lot simpler, right, to catch a trade today. Zilla, do you watch any YouTubers trade at all?
No, nothing. No one at all anymore. Back when I started, yeah, I'd be trying to watch some YouTubers.
It's hilarious, bro.
Same ones as you, really. Same ones as you, really.
It's like a reality show for me.
Lumi, we had Lumi. We had
Lumi.
Tanya still trades. TJR, I never watched TJR. I definitely watched Tori trades though. She's the goat.
Yeah,
she's the goat.
Yeah, they make my day, bro. I love watching them. It's like watching TV.
Number one trader there is.
It's like watching TV, bro.
17K for her course. I paid. And I do not regret it. Best course ever.
But yeah, nice accumulation at the 6 a.m. open here. Beautiful accumulation. Notice that 6 a.m. open price offers a beautiful SMT with the NASDAQ. NASDAQ was able to push past all these highs here. And you're getting that push lower. So you got the sweep higher and you're getting that move lower here. This will either be used as that accumulation phase for the next 4-hour candle, right? So 10 a.m. is going to open a new 4-hour candle. And these highs up here should be the target. Ideally. It maybe even takes it out now, but
about to hit and ES and then you're already doing opposite things.
Yeah, man. I love that 4-hour order block though. I think you're right, bro. Today's gonna be a nice bullish expansion. Hopefully it expands pretty far so we can catch a nice piece of it. Don't want to see any chop.
Yeah, if you through a lot of your Mondays, you'll notice there's a lot more bullish days than bearish. Chances are bulls are going to be on your side on Mondays.
This is nice. Look at that reaction. Yeah, this is nice.
Jesus, man, that's wild. ES is just sort of taken off, and
yeah,
NQ's just
That's been the case lately too, man. ES has been much stronger than NASDAQ.
Basically, right now, if YM and ES are in the lead and NQ is the weakest asset, it's a very low probability condition.
Oh yeah, look at this. All right, here we go. We're getting that Judas.
It should always be a middle asset, but basically, as you can see today, it is not the middle asset. It is the strongest asset with YM. All my targets are already getting hit, bro, on ES. See what we got for SMTs now. Basically, no 90 minutes Just a simple micro.
What do you think of this action here, bro?
I like what ES is doing, but yeah, I know. I'll let it play out until at least 9:45. I'll let the 15-minute candle close.
Any new TPDs? Let's see.
Nothing in the
Hourly.
time. Yep.
There's an hourly TPD. Right?
What
7
time?
a.m. 6 a.m. candles, 7 a.m. TPD. Or no. Or what's it called? The other one?
There is a 6 a.m., but like I probably won't really pay attention to it too much. It's too much of a choppy price action.
Facts.
So maybe a lower time frame TPD when the time comes. I can start to focus on them. Just like the 9:15 that we just had with on NQ, 15 minute. TPD there is more something that interests me. All right, man. I'm gonna see how many people have entered the giveaway.
Let me go drop a like on the stream.
7 people on the giveaways, man. We got 9 watching, so make sure you enter the giveaway and also like the video. Yep, another one, please. 8 watching. Yep, there we go. Thank you. What did you get at the end, Paul guy? You got a my funded futures? Yeah, 50% off, and 2,600. $2,600, man. They're the best. Hey, what's up, CM? CM VJ, that's good, man. No. They got merch they give out too.
All right, here we go, man. I'm gonna jump over to my stream, bro, and hopefully today actually gives something clean and reasonable. But
Yep, enjoy, bro. Enjoy.
Low expectation Mondays, man. You don't want to start off,
Yeah, man.
you know, over
they just
aggressive on a Monday.
watch the charts.
Literally.
All right, cool, Rob. We'll see you on Thursday.
Yes, sir. Good chat, man. Like you said, I think the buys are gonna hold here. Hopefully, it's just not too complex, but we'll see. But you guys take care. Be smart, man. Mondays are not gonna make you rich, so be smart on Mondays. Definitely want to start the week off on a winning note. So we'll see how it goes. I'll catch you guys later. God bless everyone, and happy trading.
All right, here we go. Back to my charts. See what the hell's going on here. Very interesting. Sorry about that. Little micro SMTs I don't really care about. Like, I'll use a micro SMT. That's like the 1 minute, 23 minute candles, 22.5 for like entries and shit, but not for anything else. Yeah, we got 10 a.m. news as well. So basically, there ain't nothing clear before it. Best to just wait out till news. Wait out till news. See what news does. And go from there. And that's crazy, bro. Just left my little target by a few points. Point or two. Wild. All right. Hey, there we go. Everyone's entering. Cool, man. We got 12 watching. 2 more likes to whoever hasn't liked it yet. That'd be good. Yeah, no worries. I'll tell Trades Jacob to pump the market. Not the NQ3 guy. Ooh. Cool, guys. I think we're just sort of. Let's have a look, actually. No way. Look at the minute. Nope. Why the hell did I mark this out again? Oh wait. Oh yeah, a week. Sort of respected it and never went past that low, so we'll see if it can keep going up from here. See if it can give me at least a 2-stage TPD. This is some interesting price action. All right, see how the next 15 close. Okay. Sorry, the next 5-minute candle closes. Wild. That's some wild shit, man. All right, looks like we got a 5-minute TPD out of the reversion level with YM. Full port soon. See how it respects this gap here, if it can create one and make it some higher pricing. So let's see what we've taken on the hourly. No. There it goes, runs away. Okay, cool. See how it goes on this gap. And from this gap, this high over here on the hourly would be my quick target. So that high just here, or the body high is just there, as a target for price to hit. In that one. Hello, Trades by Nail. How are you? How's it going today, man? Hope all is well. Another 10 minutes until the giveaway, so get ready. All right, let's just check what the minute's doing. We'll definitely go past this little high over there. Way above true micro session open. True month. All right, guys, 10 minutes until the giveaway and news. All right, guys, there we go. Target's about to be hit up here. Alright, guys. That usually happens. So normally when I'm in a trade, I usually like to take my profits a little earlier than the highs, usually using bodies. I like to use bodies more than wicks if I want to be like in and out of a trade. Normally, like say if I'll be using my futures account soon on live, but normally if I'm to trade, I usually just take about a 2 hour anyhow and get the hell out. Especially days like this before news, you want to be in and out of this sort of PA. Price loves to leave highs untouched, come right back down, manipulate, and take it a little later on. All right, guys, you got 7 minutes till the giveaway. Just to let you guys know, with the giveaway, you do have to remain in the chat and respond within 90 seconds, or all we do is re-roll. We re-roll the giveaway. So keep that in mind. Don't just leave and keep yourself in the chat. Keep yourself in the chat, sorry. Don't just leave. Otherwise you will not win. All right, guys. 5 minutes, so let's get the last entries in. I'm gonna check how many likes we got on the stream and people are watching. 13, cool. 10 watching. That's all good. All right, let's see. It's in the giveaway. Cool. No new entries, man. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got nine in the giveaway. Who's gonna win this today? My bet is Jacob NQ3. Seems like he's always winning. I put my bet on Jacob NQ3. The guy's just good luck. Money Miles isn't here. Yeah. So we'll see. We'll see. 1 sec. Let me have a look. No, Jacob did enter. Miles didn't enter the giveaway. Okay, 2 minutes, and we got some news. News will push past this high, I'm pretty sure. YM doing what it does, manipulating the market. And now it's kind of what I like to see. I like to see ES being that middle asset where it sort of chills in the middle, NQ being the leader, YM being the weakest. But I could be wrong. YM could be the strongest to the downside, weakest to the downside, middle asset. All right. $30 seconds. Wait, well, more than 30 seconds. 20 seconds. News and giveaway. News and giveaway. All right. You got 10 seconds to enter that giveaway if you haven't. Inside the Discord for FPF Club members. Looks like no more entries. No entries. Time to call it. Time to call it after this high gets taken. Come on. Don't do me like that, NQ. NQ seems to always not take my targets on stream. As soon as I get off, it'll go and take all the targets that I marked out. Yeah, L right there, boy, all the time. No, I'm confident it'll take that high. It has to. Yeah, cool, man. Get him up here. That'll be good. Yeah, you can do 9 o'clock till 12 p.m. I cannot. All right, man. Do your giveaway. We'll hit the TP soon. Yeah, you're ready, bro. Go for it. Good luck to you guys. I don't get to win anything. I just get to sit here and get you guys accounts. All right, man. Let's get that giveaway sorted. Okay, let's see what we got, man. I feel like Abu is about to win this. No, it can't be Trace Jacob again. Christian, there we go. New winner. Deserved. Congratulations. Just DM FPF. Alright guys, cool. Stream is done. Hope you all enjoyed that. We'll be back again tomorrow. And I'll let you know when another giveaway is. Yeah, Christian's definitely here. He's been here the whole time. I know. He's there. Cool. All is good. And NQ's kind of in a consolidation right now, but hurry up and just take that high. Well deserved, man. Take this already, man. Anyhow. When is the next giveaways, FPF? Good giveaway today. Alright, Micro Q4 is opened. And Micro Q4. Just take the damn high. If this takes the high, it's good luck to everybody. We're gonna have a great Q3. So yeah. If not, we're gonna have a terrible one. The Fidias new accounts look pretty good. Does anyone use them? You can go and get like one of them OTP accounts right now of Fidias for $95 for a 50k if you use the code FPF. Pretty good deal. They got Trader Bait now too, so don't miss out on that sale. Real good, a good firm, and the premium. Premium is good too. All right, guys, I'm done for the day anyhow. So I'm going to wrap it up here, and I'll see you all on tomorrow. Take care, and thanks for joining today.